What's up guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna go over my whole trading week from last week. Every trade that I show you in this video was caught live and in advance for the elite members in Tribe Capital. If you wanna check it out, link below. I'm gonna show you every trade that I took, transparent wins and losses. Let's hop into the charts. Okay guys, we will start with NQ. I took a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had 5 trading attempts on NQ in the last week, and we will start on Monday. As I told you guys, I am transparent. I will show you losses and wins. Of course, that's how we do it. On Monday, opening range was formed, market was very bullish. I tried longs, I got filled and I got stopped, guys. That's part of the game. Nobody has a win rate of 100%, and if they tell you they have, they just lie. We in Tribe Capital are transparent. We are winning around 50 to 60% of our trades. So Monday I got wrecked. I longed because I got every trigger that I need and I got stopped. That's one loss. Then Tuesday I took this short setup. As you can see, market was still bearish. We had this downtrend right here and we didn't reclaim this high. We closed below the opening range and that gave me my short trigger. I set limit orders at the range low, stop loss at the range high, 1.5 R, and the trade hit TP pretty quick. We got a little retracement, but it was all good, and that was a 1.5 R win. I will also blend in the signals right here so you can see them. I always send them out like this or like this or like this. So those are the signals, just so you can see how I sent them out. Tuesday I had the win, so it was 1 win, 1 loss. Then Wednesday, basically the same game. Market was bearish. We turned into a big downtrend on this big dump. Price closed below my opening range. I set shorts because I trade with the trend, and stop loss range high, limit order at the range low, 1.5 R. Took some time, and on the next day this trade hit the full TP. So another win, that's 1 loss and 2 wins. Then Thursday I set limit orders because it was the same game again. But unfortunately I got front run by a few dollars, so that trade didn't fill and I canceled the orders once I reached my break-even point. And on Friday we had a reversal setup and the same game as the day before. I didn't get filled by a few dollars and I canceled the orders when I reached my break-even point. So yeah, that's also part of the game, guys. No fills can happen. And on this NQ week I had 2 orders didn't get filled. I had 1 loss on Monday and 2 wins. So 1 loss, 2 wins. That means with 1.5 R I had 2% gain on the account with 1% risk. Then let's hop into Tesla. I also call those Tesla trades live and in advance as always. These are purely based on statistics, on brighter data. You can also check them out. If you go into Tribe Capital you will hear about them. So Monday I longed once we went above the range high, but this trade got stopped out the next day. Then Tuesday, same game. We closed below the range low. Stats tell me that it's likely to send lower, but I got stopped out unfortunately as well on the next day, so that's 2 losses. Then on Wednesday, same game, we closed below. Stats told me that it's likely to the low is in, and we hit the take profit target on the next day, so that's 2 losses, 1 win. Then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, same game, closed below range low. Brighter data tells me that P1 is likely in, so this won't get flipped, and we hit take profit pretty fast, so that's 2 wins, 2 losses on Tesla. And Friday I hit the long, same game. Brighter data told me likely that the P1 is in, so that the point won't get flipped. And on Monday I held it through the weekend. This trade also hit TP, and I'm currently in this trade from yesterday, so that doesn't count to the last week. So that's 1 win, 2 wins, 3 wins and 2 losses. So 2 losses, 3 wins. That comes out to 4.5 minus 2.5 R. So with 1.5 R, I make 4.5% minus the 2% losses. So that's a gain of 2.5%. With NQ, 2% on top. So 4.5% in total last week. You can do it whatever on a 100K account or on a 100K personal account. That would be 4.5K profit. If you scale it up more, 400K, you can do the math yourself, guys. Just want to show you these trades are based on our quantified price action of Tribe Capital that we teach. The system that I trade is quantified price action based. We quantify our trades, we collect data, we have certain triggers, and that's what we teach, guys. And every trade was live called. If you want to join Tribe Capital, links down below. And I hope you learned something from the video, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.